If you're looking for a modern home right around the $300,000 price range and you want a brand new construction in the Frenship School District, this is probably one of your few options. Burgamy Subdivision is located on 19 and Upland, really close to shopping centers, really close to Texas Tech University and also medical centers. It's a walking distance to the Terra Vista, so it's truly about half a block away. So you can just truly walk to this school if you want to. As far as the location, one of the best locations that you can buy a house in this price range in these states. This is not like a cookie cutter house that you see from the other builders that you're gonna see that they're building tons of houses. This is truly a custom built home, but with the affordable prices. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and an office, which is that office is not the normal office that you see. It has a granite countertop, lots of built-in in the office, and it's very spacious. When you walk into the house, you have a very open concept kitchen, living room, and the dining area. This area is absolutely phenomenal with tons of natural lighting coming in, tons of custom cabinets. Master bedroom is a very good size. It has a walk-in closet and it has that very nice master bath suite with a barn door in front of it. So this house is about 30 days to 45 days to be completed. So if you're thinking about moving in the next 45 days, maybe 60 days, this house might be a great option for you. The selection is already be done. Main items is already done. So now is time to go out there and do the finish out on this house. So the time frame on this one is about 30 days to 45 days. So I'm saying that by end of June, in middle of the July, you can move into this beautiful home. All right, let's talk about the back porch. We all know that we want a porch that to hang out and have the family and friends come over to have a cookout or whatever we want to do. This back porch up here is not a normal size. It's a very spacious back porch with the tons of concrete that is going to be laid out here that you can do your barbecue grill, hangout place, and still have a really good sized yard. So about the AveNew Homes, these folks are custom builders, however, they are building spec homes. So you're not paying the arm and leg prices for the custom built home. You still get the finish out for the houses that typically you don't see it in the spec homes builder. The finish out in these houses are absolutely top of the line. There are nothing to compare with, and they are standing behind their words. So if you buy a home, rest assured that your warranty work, anything that can go wrong with the houses after the house is closed, they are out there to take care of you. They have the first year bumper to bumper warranty. That means anything goes wrong with the house, you have the warranty on it. And also 2 years manufacturer warranty, which is going to cover your AC, your water heater, or anything like that. And 10 years structure warranty. But I promise you, with their houses, you're probably not going to call them for a while because their houses are truly a quality house. So if you have any question about this home or any other homes that AveNew Homes are building, please reach out to me. We'd love to sit down and talk to you and show you different floor plans that they have. They have it anywhere from 3-bedroom to the 4-bedroom. We also have 2 parade-of homes that is going to be ready in July for parade-of homes, of course, that I'd love to sit down and show you the floor plan, finish out, or anything that you might need. Keep it in mind, if you need the custom built home, you have the floor plan that you're visioning, we still have option to build from scratch for you. And we have homes right now, about 25 homes that we are building, that there are anywhere from 30 days to be completed all the way to 6 months to be completed. So we can work with your timeline, your floor plan, your area that you like to build. So we are here to help and support you with your new construction build. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, if you have any question, reach out to me. Would love to help you with anything I can. God bless you, and I'll see you soon.